Hi, today I'm for the OnePlus Nord N30 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I'll just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint scanner was here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully just in 1 second. But you should for a while to keep your fingerprint on the scanner, because with a simple touch you have no chance to unlock your device. Just hold it for a while, and after that you'll unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.